Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to find your credit card number on Apple Wallet. Okay, now you need to know that the process is very simple and easy. The first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the Apple Wallet application on your phone. Then you want to choose the card that you want to know its details. So let's say that I will choose this one. And now after clicking on it, you will have to click on these three lines on the top right side. Then you want to go and click on card details or card number in order to see the card number of this card. Now, there are also two main other methods you can actually use it. Simply go to your settings of your iPhone. Then you want to scroll down till you find here this section, Wallet and Apple Pay. Tap on it. And once you tap on it, here you should go and choose the card that you want to know its number. And here, as you can see, I have chosen this one. Once you choose the card, click on card information right here, and it will also show you the number. Now, another thing that you can actually do is to simply go back to the settings of your iPhone, then go and click on apps. Then now you want to search for Safari. So click on Safari right here. Then you want to go and click on autofill. So after clicking on autofill, you will have to click on saved credit cards. And after that, here you can see all your cards and you just have to choose one of them and it will show you the card number. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.